Hi peeps, this is Ovi, and yeah. Oh wow, I've got like 100 subscribers. That's really cool. But unfortunately, it's raining, and I was going to watch the lunar eclipse, but this happens. Too much rain. I just don't get why it's raining a lot. Just normal. Rain always comes into the wrong time in my opinion. And ignore the noise in the background, by the way. And yes, the power is on. Because the light, the Xbox, everything's powered on. Not. And yeah. And I gotta go now, so hopefully anyone can subscribe. And oh yeah, and I got like 100 subscribers, that's good. Or you can easily hear thunder. I might do some short clips on that one as well, so yeah, so bye.